If you want a truck that works as hard as you do but still pampers you like a luxury SUV, say hello to the 2025 Ram 1500 Longhorn. This isn't just a pickup. It's a rolling piece of the Wild West with more tech than a spaceship and more comfort than your living room recliner. Let's break down why this truck is the king of the road in asterisk listicle style. You wouldn't expect a cowboy to wear a silk suit, but the Longhorn somehow pulls it off. Premium leather, open-pore wood, and real metal accents make this cabin feel like a high-end ranch. Imagine stepping into a truck after a long day of work and sinking into ventilated leather seats while your favorite country song plays on a 19-speaker Harman Kardon system. Yep, that's a Longhorn. Under the hood, you get the legendary 5.7L Hemi V8 with e-torque, or if you're feeling futuristic, the Hurricane 3.0L twin-turbo inline-six. That means towing your 10,000-pound boat is a breeze, kind of like pulling a small wagon compared to a horse-drawn carriage. Whether you're hauling hay, an RV, or a classic car, this truck doesn't flinch. The 2025 Ram 1500 Longhorn packs tech like it's a Silicon Valley startup. Think a 14.5-inch infotainment screen, a digital rear-view mirror, and hands-free driving with active drive assist. Ever tried hitching a trailer alone? It's like wrestling a bull. But with a 360-degree camera and trailer reverse steering control, you'll look like a pro every time. Most trucks ride like a bucking bronco, but the Longhorn's air suspension smooths out potholes like butter on warm cornbread. Picture this. You're cruising down a dirt road with a full load in the back, yet it feels like you're floating on air. Your coffee stays in your cup, no spills, no mess. Just a smooth ride with a split multifunction tailgate and a Rambox cargo management system. This truck makes loading and unloading easier than flipping pancakes. Imagine tailgating at a football game. You pull out your built-in cooler, grab a drink, and use the side-opening tailgate to load up your grill with zero back strain. That's work smarter, not harder. Trucks guzzle gas, right? Not this one. Thanks to cylinder deactivation and hybrid-like e-torque assist, the Longhorn stretches every gallon. Think about this. On a long road trip, while your buddy's truck is stopping every 200 miles for gas, you're cruising past him, waving with a full tank. More road time, less pump time. With skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a rear-locking differential, this truck is built for adventure. Picture this. You and your buddies head to the mountains, and while others get stuck in the mud, you roll through effortlessly, splashing through streams like it's just another day on the ranch. The Longhorn's bold chrome grille, LED headlights, and signature badging make it look like the boss of the road. Imagine pulling up to a job site or a fancy restaurant. Whether it's work or play, this truck turns heads. People don't just see you. They notice you. The 2025 Ram 1500 Longhorn isn't just a truck. It's a statement. It works hard, plays harder, and treats you like a king while doing it. So, if you're looking for the perfect blend of power, luxury, and practicality, this might just be your next ride. Hit that like button if you'd love to own one, and don't forget to subscribe for more truck content that keeps you ahead of the game.